Hello and welcome to MarineMax with Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley and today we're doing a walkthrough of the Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat is designed with fun in mind. Everything from its power of 150 horsepower 4-stroke dependable Mercury motor, straight on through to the ski pylon, towing wakeboards, tubes, whatever you might want to do with friends and the kids. There's a lot of seating arrangements that can be done on this boat. There's a lot of storage on the boat for coolers, for beach bags, protection from the sun on a hot day like today. This is a great option to have on the boat. You also have a Simrad navigation system. This boat has plenty of seating. You could probably have about 8 people in this boat comfortably for a day in a cove, having lunch, cocktails in the evening, or what have you. Please call us. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. MarineMax, 860-399-5581. You can speak with any of our knowledgeable staff about this boat. Please come on down and see her. She's a great, fun-loving boat to have. Thanks for watching.